Hey, pretty girl. So I am launching my T-shirt for beginners course beginning January 31st, 2022. And I am currently taking pre-orders for the course. In the course, you will learn how to make vinyl T-shirts, how to use screen prints, and if you don't have a machine, that's fine. You will learn how to do prints on demand. I have experience making vinyl shirts, making vinyl hoodies, using screen prints, doing print on demand. I have the experience. So I'm not teaching you something that I Googled. I'm teaching you things from my own personal experience. I've been making t-shirts for over 5 years. So I have the experience to make t-shirts and to teach you how to do it and to do it well. I will teach you how to find your niche, your target audience, because having your target audience is what's important. You want to have your products all over the United States and everybody buying from you. You have to have your target audience because everyone isn't your customer. I will teach you that. So what I need you to do, I need you to go to the link in my bio and pre-order your T-shirt for beginners course and allow me to teach you how to start your T-shirt business and break generational curses on today.